Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats. In order to cancel an order on Uber Eats, first thing first, make sure that you have internet connection, and after that open up a web browser and then log it into your account. In order to log in, you'll need to type in www.ubereats.com. This is going to direct you to the official web page of Uber Eats. So in order to cancel an order on Uber Eats, it is quite a difficult process. Product can only be cancelled if you are actually paying a certain amount, or maybe you are charged with a fine. Apart from that, you can also cancel an order if the order has not been prepared or has not yet been shipped or delivered. Only you can cancel the product, otherwise you'll be charged with a fine. So tap on the tab bar icon located in the upper right hand side corner, go to orders. Here you'll be able to see the list of orders that you made throughout the year. So you'll need to go ahead and click on the item that you wish to cancel the order. After that, you'll be able to find the cancel button. If you're lucky enough, then you'll be able to find the cancel button. As soon as you're done canceling the product, you'll be taken to the confirmation page. So once again, you need to confirm, and sometimes you might not be able to get a refund because of the fine, and sometimes you might be charged with an extra amount apart from the fine. So in this way, you can cancel an Uber Eats order. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.